Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Your Excellency, the wife of the Governor, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Speaker of the Rivers State Assembly, and all past excellencies present, brothers and sisters, we thank God for today. I don't want to say much. I just want to say I want to use this small gift to appreciate His Excellency for what he has done for Rivers State, and especially what he has done for Kalabari. I keep on saying this, 250 billion naira. It would have been very difficult for even a Kalabari man to have opened the coffers of Rivers State and released 250 billion for the development of Kalabari. All Kalabari people here and all Rivers State people here want to thank you. We also want you to extend it to all parts of Rivers State, because you are truly the governor of Rivers State. Congratulations, Your Excellency.